Hey, would you like to send free bulk emails? If yes, this is the right place. Hi, my name is Deepak and welcome to Learningopedia. Today we will learn how to set up free MailChimp account and we will set up our first contact list along with text. So let's start. Click on sign up free. Enter your entire details including email ID, username and password. If you want to receive emails from MailChimp, then you can click this box, otherwise ignore it. And after that, click on sign up button. Now they will send you a confirmation mail in your register email ID. Just go to your email, click your mail and click on activate account. Now your account is activated. Now click on I am not a robot. And now your account is activated. You can see here the different plans of MailChimp. You can see in this free account you can add 2000 contacts in your list. Click on complete button and now we will set up our account. First add our first name, last name, business name, website URL and phone number. They are optional. If you want to add, you can add it. If you don't want, just click on continue. Now you have to add your address. If you want to fill your entire address, you can fill it. I'm just entering my state and changing my zip code. You can do the same or you can add entire details and click on continue. Now they are asking for contacts. If you have any contact, click on yes and select the list. If you don't have, just click on no button. As I am starting with no option, so I can show you from the scratch. Click on continue after this. And now they are asking that how can people access your offerings. You can select more than one option as per your business offering. Click on continue. Now they are asking if you want to put MailChimp in the loop. Just know this step and click on let's go. Now they are asking to design email or landing page. We will cover it in our next video. We will ignore it so I can show you from the scratch how we can add our contacts. Just close entire details. And now you can see our dashboard of MailChimp. Now we will add our first contact list in this account. Click on audience and select all contacts option. Now you can see here one subscriber. It's VR on. Now click on add contacts and select add a subscriber. If you want to fill details one by one, you can fill this form and add your subscriber in your list. But we will choose import contact option. Here you can upload a CSV file or TXT file. We will go with copy and paste and continue to clipboard. Now you can see here is the format to upload the file in email address, first name, last name and address. Now I am uploading my own file of contacts. Here you can see the email ID and name. You can see here first name and last name are together. So don't worry, it will work same. Just copy from here and paste it in this entire box. Now you can see your all details are filled in this. Click continue to organize. Now we will organize our contacts. Now it's your choice that what status you want for your contacts. Click on update any existing contacts. It will help you to save duplicacy. Click continue to tag. Tags are very important for us. It will help us to separate our contact list according to which mail we want to send them. Now we will create our first tag. As I am creating sample contact and I will click on create. Now my tag is created and now we will click on continue to match. Now we have to recognize our details. Email ID is already recognized. Now you can see here we have lots of options. We have to click on first name and confirm. Now entire detail is confirmed and finalize report. Now you can see one contacts will be added in our audience list. We did copy paste subscribe list and we tagged our detail as sample contact list. Now we will complete import. You can see our import is complete. Now we will click on audience dashboard and here you can see 119 contacts are added now in our subscriber list. It's our entire dashboard which will show our activity. And if you want to see all details, just click on this number. It will show you entire details. This is the entire list which we created. Here is an email ID, name, and the tag which we created. Now your account is ready to use. That's all for today. We will come back with this kind of more informative videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.